harm to become movement. Let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are, the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Standard 7, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 4, Part 2, Topic Angles and Pairs of Angles. What is vertically opposite angles? The angle formed by the opposite rays of the arms of an angle is said to be opposite angle. We have learned in the previous slide in part 1, opposite rays form an angle. Property of vertically opposite angles. The measure of the vertically opposite angles are equal. In figure given below, angle A and angle C are equal and angle B and angle D are equal. Now question based on opposite rays. First question, line AC and BD intersect at point P. Measure of angle APD is given 47 degree. Find the measure of angle APB, angle BPC and angle CPD. Angle APD and angle APB are angles in a linear pair. We know that sum of the measure of angles in a linear pair is equal to what? 180 degree. Therefore, APD plus measure of angle APB equal to 180 degree. We know that from the figure, APB is given 47 degree. Substitute the value plus measure of APB equal to 180 degree. Subtract minus 47 degree from both the side. We get measure of angle APB 133 degree. So this angle will become 133 degree. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So APB will be equal to what? CPD. So both the angles will be equal to what? 133 degree. And measure of BPC is equal to measure of APD. And both the angles will be equal to what? 47 degree. The exterior angle of a triangle. On extending one side of a triangle, the angle obtained, which forms a linear pair with the adjacent interior angle of a triangle, is called the exterior angle of the triangle. You can see in the given figure, ACD is an exterior angle. Angle A and B are remote interior angles. Property of an exterior angle of a triangle. The measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of the measures of its remote interior angles. In the given figure, you can see that ACD is exterior angle and A and B are remote interior angles. Now question based on that. Question number 1. Angle ACD is an exterior angle of triangle ABC. The measure of angle A and B are equal. Measure of angle ACD is equal to 140 degree. Find the measures of the angle A and angle B. Solution. Let the measure of angle A and A be x degree. A and B be x degree. Angle ACD is the exterior of triangle ABC. Measure of ACD is equal to angle A plus measure of angle B. ACD is given 140 degree equal to x plus x, as we have assumed that angle A and B are x. Therefore 140 equal to 2x degree, 2x equal to 140, x equal to 140 divided by 2 equal to 70 degree. Therefore the measures of angle A and B is what? 70 degree. Question number 2. Using the measures of the angles given in the figure alongside, Find the measure of remaining three angles. Which are the remaining three angles? AOF, EOD and BOC. These are the three remaining angles which we have to find out. Solution. We can start. Measure of angle EOD is given, not given, is equal to measure of angle AOB equal to 8y. Why EOD is 8y? Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Angle FOL, angle EOD and angle COD form a straight line. Therefore, measure of angle FOE, measure of angle EOD and measure of angle COD equal to 180 degree. This is not FOL, this is FOE. E is missing in this. So you have to assume this as FOE. Therefore, 4y plus 8y plus 6y equal to 180 degree. 18y equal to 180. Y equal to 180 upon 18. Y equal to 10. Measure of angle EOD equal to 8y equal to 8 into 10 equal to 80 degree. We have substituted the value of y in the measure of angle EOD. Now measure of angle AOF and measure of angle COD. You can observe in this figure AOF and angle COD. AOF and COD is equal to what? 6y. Then 6 into 10, 60 degree. Because vertically opposite angles are equal. Now measure of angle BOC is equal to measure of angle FOE. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Equal to 4y equal to 4 into 10 equal to 40 degree. The measure of EOD, AOF and BOC are now 80 degree, 60 degree and 40 degree respectively. Here is given below the textbook link. So children, go through the link. Thank you. Have a great day.